What you hate for, what you hate for, you claim for, wait a minute, go on. Who's the man right there, the way for it? Who's the standing there? Who's on the place, the place, do that shit, you got the shit, put it on a playlist right next to you. I signed it to that shit, you could've called your bitch, you know what time it is. Fuck boy, you know it, fuck boy, you know it. You make me fuck this fucking boy, the way to be on it, and I ain't even seen you don't know. Whenever you rock this party, don't you see you without me. That shit blow up, bitch, I'm smoking the world. I showed y'all how to turn up. Put a J's in my ashtray, cause I showed y'all how to put up. I sacrifice what they wouldn't give to these kids, but I ain't up for it. Look at these rappers, got it open. So we talking about the real, now the fucking soul type shit. Go with his hands and fight with. What's up? Back in the 90s, the way they say it. I just say what it goes. I just say what it goes. Put that shit back, bitch, it's all about that's prices. I just don't know what my prices. Like these other little bitch, I'm playing. It's here, I just said a little more on things, so who would thought of it? So you don't got to worry, my brother. New York, get on your motherfucking feet. He said, get the fuck off your fucking feet. When that shit drops, you get the fuck off the ground. My story